However, gusty winds are still possible with these thunderstorms. In addition, strong thunderstorms may develop, and a severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lenawee County, Monroe County, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 6 miles northeast of Clinton to 6 miles southwest of Hudson, and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Munson and Lime Creek around 7:30 p.m. Medina around 7:35 p.m. Macon and Canandaigua around 7:40 p.m. Tecumseh and Seneca around 7:45 p.m. Weston and Sand Creek around 7:50 p.m. Ridgeway and Jasper around 7:55 p.m. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Temperance, Tecumseh, Petersburg, Ottawa Lake, Onsted, Morenci, Monroe, Mabee, Luna Pier, Lambertville, Ida, Hudson, Dundee, Deerfield, Clinton, Clayton, Cement City, Carlton, Britain, Blissfield, Adrian, Addison. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Lenawee and Monroe.